Hello and welcome back. I'm Brent B, and today I'm going to give a demonstration using wood dye in painting a little dinosaur scene in a game board that I'm going to make for a coworker and his young son Anthony, who absolutely loves dinosaurs. So if you like experiments, join me. Now I'm going to start having some fun, start getting some color in here. I don't exactly want a pink sky. Let's see what we can do. One absolutely beautiful thing about the wood dye is you can go over it repeated times for a darker, richer color. Okay, next experiment, more orange. Orange is a very pretty color. Another experiment. What'll happen if I just gob on a bunch of red right here? It turns a nice purpley color. Let's do it again. Purpley a word? More yellow to the rescue. Let's put some yellow down here too and see what happens. It's pretty. How about a big old mountain? You know, Bob Ross said, everybody's gonna have a friend. Even mountains. I'm just using a Q-tip cotton swab here to blend that down with just a little water. Brush doesn't work so good. Okay, to tell you the truth, I need a break to think about this. Okay, now before we put our dinosaurs in, which I'll use stencils for, I'm gonna put in a few details in the background, maybe some trees. Okay, time to meet the stars of the show here. We've got our dinosaur stencils, and I'm not going to pretend to be able to paint a dinosaur, at least not yet. Bob Ross would be proud. Speaking of Bob Ross, you know, he said cleaning the brush was the most fun part of painting. Water. Shake off the excess. And just be the devil out of it. Okay, let's add a little more color. Okay, I think I need a couple happy little trees since these guys don't look too happy. So let's see. How about, there it is now. And how about a friend? Everyone needs a friend. Especially these dinosaurs, they look like they need a friend. I just want some branches here to give some indications. There we go. Haha, you know what time it is. Water. Shake off the excess. Now we need our highlight color. I think that's all I dare try now. So, I'm gonna let it dry, and then it's gonna be the real bravery test, drilling some holes in it.